how I make my one of my favorite salad. So I have premium here. If I need something, if I'm forgetting something, I will get back. I have my lettuce. I'm going to chop it up. I've washed it. I washed it in salt water. So let me slice it. First, let's make salad dressing. We're going to use, this is balsamic vinegar. To me, this is the best part, mixing my salad dressing. That's enough, just a tad bit more. I eyeball everything. And it is honey. Guys, see this honey? And the pour. Okay, so first things first. Yum. First things first, we're gonna pour in dressing to the bottom. So I'm going to add some granolas. So we have black olives.
So this is how I grilled my chicken breast. I had marinated it for a couple of hours in oil and some spices, and yeah, so I grilled it, cooked it, was ready to go.
I'm going to try my grilled chicken salad. Actually, let me do it like this. Then you flip. Let's try it. Wait. You can taste them.